Welcome to the Bellingcat How-To series. This video series is aimed at anyone that wants to use Bellingcat's online research tools. In this video, we'll be learning how to use Bellingcat's Instagram location search tool to search for location tags near a particular place. Instagram users use these tags to identify the location of photos. This can be very useful when trying to find photos of a particular area or around a particular event.
Hi, my name is Logan Williams, Senior Data Scientist at Bellingcat, and in this video, we'll show you how to look for location tags on Instagram. So when a user takes a photo on Instagram, Instagram suggests location tags that they can add to the image. And these location tags can be super useful for open source research when you're trying to find photos taken at a particular place. The issue is that in any popular spot, like here in Amsterdam's Vondelpark, there's going to be lots of different location tags with similar names that users might use. With Bellingcat's Instagram location search tool, you can find all of the location tags located near a particular latitude and longitude. This tool is available on our GitHub, and in this video, we'll walk you through how it works. Let's take a look.
To get the most out of this guide, you'll need to know how to use the command line and have Python installed on your computer. Don't worry if you're not sure about these. Check out the description for links and more information. We'll start with getting the tool installed, then we'll go through giving the tool access to your Instagram. I'll show you how to use the tool for some simple searches, and finally, we'll cover how you can use the Instagram location tags to identify images near the place that you are searching. Let's get started on the command line. To install the tool, I'm going to use pip, the Python package manager. I'll type pip install Instagram location search and press enter. This is going to download the tool and all of its requirements. Then it's going to install the tool so that I can use it on the command line. We can check how to use the tool by typing the name of the tool, followed by --help. This response shows us that the tool has been installed correctly and tells us how to use the command. Before we can get locations from the tool, we need to give it permission to access Instagram using an account. When you run the tool for the first time, it will open a Google Chrome window for you to log into Instagram, so you need to have Google Chrome installed on your computer. Keep in mind that accessing Instagram using the Instagram location search tool may violate the Instagram terms of service, and it could lead to your account getting flagged or even suspended. It's always best to use a separate research account when searching social media. Now let's try logging in with the tool. If you just run the command Instagram-location-search with no arguments, the tool will make sure you're authenticated with Instagram, but won't do anything else. We can log in with a research account, and then we're authenticated and ready to search. Let's start by finding a location of interest. I'm going to go to Google Maps in my web browser and find a spot around which I want to find Instagram locations. By right-clicking a point and selecting the pair of numbers from the menu, I get the latitude and longitude of the point copied to my clipboard. Now that I have my point of interest, I can come back to the command line and type Instagram-location-search. Then I can paste the latitude and longitude and use the arrow keys to add the flags I need for the command to recognize the coordinates. I add --lat and --long before the first and second numbers, respectively. And I can start the tool by pressing enter. Google Chrome pops up briefly, but since we've already logged in, it disappears. Soon, you see a list of locations in the terminal output. As you can see, there are lots of similar tags for the Eiffel Tower. Instagram location search can also really help when we aren't sure what places might be tagged in images. Let's look for images around the Port of Antwerp. We can find the lat long, copy the location, and run the tool just as we did before. In the output, we can see tags for businesses and port terminals that could be interesting for our research. To get even more locations in the same area, we can add -- more. Now we can see some refineries too. It can also be really helpful to see the location of all of the tags. If we add -- map and a file name, such as map.html, that page is generated with a map on it. We can also export the locations as a CSV spreadsheet with -- CSV. Or as a JSON with -- JSON. And with that, thank you for taking the time to learn how to use Bellingcat's Instagram location search tool with me. If you're interested in how to use other Bellingcat tools, we'll be making more of these videos in the future. Comment below with what tool you'd be interested in seeing next. I really hope that this guide helps you use open source investigative tools for some amazing investigations. If you have any questions, or you get stuck, we have an active and helpful community in our Discord server. Find all of Bellingcat's open source research tools on our GitHub. See the description for links.